I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Elated, proud, humbled, honored are just few of the emotions a parent experiences after learning that your child is getting married. Additionally, a sense of relief knowing that your child is making a God-honoring choice. This is exactly how Jane felt when she learned the good news. If you recall, in part one, Jane was busy preparing for her own wedding. Now Jane has become a mom and has been given the privilege of decorating for her daughter's wedding. Welcome to A Princess Dream Part 2. You are invited to sit back, relax, and watch as something spectacular that will change lives forever come to life. Jane's role was to decorate the tables, the unity candle table, the aisle. After consulting with the bride, supplies secured, the operation began. Jane was thrilled to be given the opportunity to apply her own vision. Oh, how exciting that must be. Jane envisioned a celestial scenery with flowing floor length, chair sashes. Before you are some of the materials used to create that look. And aisle decor featuring a white runner adorned with scattered white petals resembling angel feathers. The song choice, You Are Worthy of It All, perfectly complemented her vision. All the saints and angels, they bow before your throne.
And all the elders cast their crown before the Lamb of God and sing.
As per the bride's request, the table was simple but elegant, featuring eucalyptus garland, cylindrical vases of different sizes filled with water and beads and floating candles, creating a serene atmosphere.
Oh, the unity candles are here.
It's a day before the wedding, and look, the candles are damaged. What will Jane do? Will she save the day? There's little time on hand. Watch till the end to see the outcome.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. just want us to always be. Let's stay here. Let's stay here in love. Let's stay.
They bow before your throne, and all the elders
Just want to say I'm very proud of you two for this new partnership that you're building in a generation that is afraid of commitment.
Yeah.
I just want to read a Bible verse to give a more biblical sense on that commitment. And it's taken from 1 Peter 4, verses 8 to 11. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. Over hospitality to one another without grumbling. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. If anyone speaks, they should do as one who speaks the very words of God. If anyone serves, they should do so with the strength God provides, so that in all things God may be praised through Jesus Christ. To him be the glory and the power forever and ever.
Special
Amen.
thanks to the team of family and friends who worked collaboratively to make this dream become a reality. Last but certainly not the least, I would like to acknowledge Ariel for the elegant backdrop. It did make a difference. Be inspired and God bless you.